National Weather Service in Ruskin has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north central Central Florida until 3 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:29 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Champions Gate, or 9 miles northwest of Haines City, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Point Siena, Winter Haven, Haines City, Lake Alfred, Davenport, Lake Hamilton, and Loudoun. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Special.
Bro, dang, we just got an SVA, then an SMW, and now an SVR.
It would have been so ironic if this was a triple header.
Did y'all hear me yelling poke? That was crazy.